So in the second video of total quality management, here we'll be discussing about importance of bottom line. So when you go to bottom line, uh, so here when we want profit, revenue minus cost must be considered. So what is revenue? It is in the revenue, it is a function of quality. So when you take revenue, quality, demand elasticity, prices, perceived value, market shares, all those things are the revenue is going to come. So when you want revenue, it has to come. Quality, you have to maintain, you have to maintain, you have to maintain, you have to maintain, you have to maintain demand elasticity and the prices, perceived value and market share. So like this, revenue, it is a function of quality which you are supposed to maintain. So what is cost? Cost, it is a function of quality once again. Quality, productivity, that puts the cost down. So here unwanted unnecessary costs can be saved and maximum output can be maintained. So like this, when we give importance to the bottom line, profit to the company will be more, and required revenue and the cost can be maintained to get the required profit. So further, how quality contributes to profitability is, so in the chart you can see when you want the word quality, design and conformance is very important. So under design and conformance, you have to go with the reduced waste, greater productivity, greater value. So under reduced waste and greater productivity, lower cost it has to be considered. Improved assets utilization and improved margin must be there. So if it's a greater value means increased market share, revenue growth must be there. So like this, when we take the overall view of the market with respect to the quality, you are supposed to go step by step. Otherwise, it is not possible to acquire the required quality. So why is process improvement important in the quality management? So North American automakers produced 15 vehicles in the 2004 and recalled 25 million. So here once again in the 2014, 6.4 millions in the April and 2.7 in the June. So 13.8 million was achieved by May 2014. So what is quality process? A process that produces error-free product, that is known as quality process. So no process produces error, it is a error-free product. So percentage of defect is acceptable, like it may be 1%, 5%, 10%. So small variations it is accepted, but there mustn't be any major variation. When 99.9% quality is not enough, what you are supposed to do? 2 million document would be lost by the company each year. 22,000 checks would be deducted from the long bank account in the US. 1,314 phone calls each day, misrouted each day. 12 babies would be given a wrong parent each day. So that's what, when we speak of 99.9% quality, all these failures and defects are minimized. So then how much quality is enough to run a company? So due to medical error, 98,000 deaths happened in the US, 7,000 from medication errors. Hospital commits 4 lakh preventable drug errors each other. One average per patient per day it happens. So 3 to 8% of US. So like this, if the quality is not maintained, then you'll be losing the customers. Happening, and at the same time you are answerable for all the defects which is going to happen. So how much quality is enough? So only 80% of hospitals in the US have procedures in place to avoid operating on the wrong body parts. That is 20% do not. IRS agents give bad or no information 43% of the time. Guess who is responsible if you use bad information? So like this, all the failures are considered. So is 99% correct good enough? That we will check out. 20,000 wrong prescription each other, 15,000 babies dropped by doctors each year, two short or long landings at airport daily, 500 incorrect G Motorola and others wants to be correct. So there are 3.4 defects per million opportunities. So like this, Six Sigma standards can be set. So when you speak of the word quality, so total quality management is what they are supposed to bother is quality. So then what is this quality? We'll see in detail in the next video.